This bridge has been here from 1820. On one side is St. James, on the other side it's Hanover. In June 1979, one of the worst floods that Jamaica has seen. The floods came above the bridge. People here rafting. Rafting is probably the #1 excursion in Jamaica and one of the most popular. It started by putting bananas on the rafts to send them down to the river to meet the ships in the sea. So that's how rafting started, and then somebody had a brilliant idea and said, oh, we can put people on it, we can transport people on a beautiful scenic tour of Jamaican rivers, and river rafting started. Behind me is this bridge that has been here from 1820. On one side is St. James, on the other side it's Hanover. The great river separating two parishes, Hanover and also St. James. They said that it was built by the Spanish. The Spanish were driven out in 1655, but since 1820 this bridge has stood the test of time, have stood the June floods. The floods came above the bridge and the water just whooshed down. One of the worst floods that Jamaica has seen. I think it was June 1976 is when the June floods occurred. From 1820 until now in the 2000s, it still stands strong. And it's a wonder we can't make roads and stuff like this bridge so that they can stand the test of time anymore. This was built by slaves, so you can imagine how painstaking it was, those bricks, those heavy bricks, to bring them up back in 1820. The square extremely active. There are people all around just gathered in the square. There are shops, there's food stalls.